Got a no cooling call. Thermostat's blank. No filter. Float switch is pulled. Someone's been here. Maybe the on-call guy. Breaker is on. Went to split it open. Test the old transformer. See if we got low voltage coming out. Let's check the 3 amp fuse here. It's probably blown. Nope, it's good. Now, we should have 24 volts coming out the bottom here. If not, that's how we know our problem is. So we do have 24 volts. 27.30. Alright, the power's back on. Let's see what we got between common and red is the power coming in. Should have 24 volts. Yes, we do. Just like the thermostat, 27.30. Or not the thermostat, the transformer. Just like the transformer, 27.30. I can hear the window unit in the living room, so the on-call guy was definitely here Saturday. Yep, there it is. Alright, let's jump out. R, that's the power coming to the thermostat from your board. Over here in the air handler, let's just try to get the fan to come on. So R and G. If the fan comes on, I bet we got a bad thermostat. There we go. I got my boy Phil here. Tighten it down. Alright, Skid Bro, we got red to red, blue to black, which is the common, as you can see the C there. White to W, which is heat, yellow going to yellow, which is the condenser outside, and green going to G, which is the indoor fan. Whammy. And just kicked on because it's set to on. Alright, put it in cool, see if we can get it to cool the place down. No more window unit. I hear refrigerant moving through the system. Give me some fan. Alright. Yeah, that's cold as a witch's booty. They're going to be good. And the heat's good. They'll have heat when it gets cold again 10 months from today. I'm gonna lug old R2-D2 down the stairs and clock out and head home. See you on the next one. Late.